Welcome back everyone to viralstocks.io. Guys, if you are completely new here, what we do is we find you guys the best penny stocks in the micro cap arena. We have a website and our YouTube channel where we talk about stocks almost every single day of the week in some way, shape, or form, either on our website or here on our YouTube channel where we give a ton of absolutely hot stocks. Now, if you guys want to take that even a step further, make sure and sign up for a completely free NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts. Literally, it's the simplest thing ever. Click that link down in the description below. All you have to do is enter in your email address and then enter in your phone number and you are good to go. You will get our free penny stock alert sent straight to your email and straight to your phone before we release it here on YouTube. Highly suggest all you guys get signed up there if you are not already. If you guys have already been a part of the channel, then you know exactly what we do here at viralstocks.io, and you know that we find some of the hottest stocks in the market, bar nothing. We had a couple 60 and 70% gainers just last week. We had another 30% gainer that I'm going to talk about in today's video, guys. And I just want to say this article, we may have something big, so stay tuned here, guys. I think you're definitely going to like what I have for you in today's video. Now, the first penny stock that I absolutely have to cover is NCNA, guys. I won't talk about it here much at all, but this is ticker symbol NCNA. We talked about this stock last week, and or a couple weeks ago, ended up being one of our biggest winners. We've been talking about this stock since right about at that 80-cent mark, right? I made a video on this stock here on YouTube, so all you were able to get in on this play. Now, as you guys can see, this stock is up 113%. The next day, it shot up about 70% or so, had a little bit of a pullback, and now it's up over 113%. Shout out to everyone that was able to be a part of that triple-digit gainer. Now, this stock has already ran. We could see a pullback from here before the next leg up on the next catalyst, so just keep that in mind. Of course, if you guys want the next penny stock that could run just like NCNA, make sure you're signed up for our NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts. Enter in your email and enter in your phone number. But let's talk about something today, and today I want to talk about the top 3 crypto stocks that I do think could absolutely skyrocket as soon as this bull market comes around, right? So these are 3 crypto penny stocks that I do believe could have triple-digit gains in the relatively near future. Number 1 here is going to be Mara, and number 2 here is going to be Riot. So let's talk about these, and then I want to talk about a very tiny penny stock that just landed a huge deal that could have some big upside potential. So let's talk about it here. Crypto stocks are bouncing back, Mara and Riot. We wrote this on our website, guys, so you can go check it out more in depth, but let's highlight it first. Here is Riot. Obviously, you guys should know what Riot is, an industry leader in Bitcoin mining and hosting. That is Riot Blockchain. So as of July 6th, they actually announced some great company milestones in terms of production and operations, right? So Riot produced 421 Bitcoins in the month of June, an increase of almost 73% compared to the production of only 243 Bitcoins in the period just 1 year ago. So obviously a huge rise in the amount of Bitcoins that they are producing. Now, right now at these current Bitcoin prices, it isn't crazy, right? It isn't crazy. Okay, it's great money. They lost a lot of money, but where this is really going to come around is as soon as this crypto market comes back around. So it says, with these operations in place, along with the company's consistent growth efforts, Riot's vision centers around becoming the world's leading Bitcoin-driven infrastructure platform. So, obviously, great stuff there. Now let's talk about the next one. The next one is going to be Mara. So, jumping down here, let's talk about Mara, which was also including in this article. This stock is very similar to Riot, right? Pretty much the same company, okay? A digital asset technology company that focused on supporting and securing the Bitcoin ecosystem. Currently, the company is focusing all its efforts on becoming one of the largest and most sustainable powered Bitcoin mining operations in North America, all remaining asset light, right? So Mara recently, now this is the big news here. This is part of the big news, right? Mara recently entered into a 5-year hosting contract with Applied Blockchain, ticker symbol APLD. Hint, hint, this may be the tiny penny stock that landed the big deal for 200 megawatts of Bitcoin mining capacity. Under the terms of the agreement, Mara's Bitcoin miners will utilize comprehensive hosting services at at Applied Blockchain's owned and operated co-hosting data center. So obviously great stuff there to have that partnership with Mara. Now Mara also presents another opportunity here, which is a short squeeze opportunity. So Mara does have a big short squeeze opportunity in progress here. They appear to be amidst a short squeeze opportunity here, and Mara is ramping up capacity into what I believe is a bullish phase in Bitcoin. So taking a look here, it says shorting Bitcoin miners has become tremendously profitable. Obviously, as Bitcoin continues to go down, all these crypto stocks continue to go down as well. But it is going to come back around. Right now, we see the short interest at 30% for Marathon, which is very high by any measure for a short squeeze, right? But it isn't going to happen just because of the short interest, right? We need rapidly rising price on big volume. So what we can take a look at here is we could see a huge short squeeze with Marathon Digital if Bitcoin, or I should say when Bitcoin in the crypto market starts to come back around, along with all of these crypto stocks, right? I do believe as soon as crypto comes around, which could be in the next 1 year to 2 years, I do think we're going to see another absolutely massive crypto bull market. Everyone thinks it's gone when the crypto market goes down. I do not think it's gone whatsoever, and I do think in that time frame we could see another huge crypto bull market. Guess what's going to absolutely skyrocket? Mara's going to skyrocket, Riot's going to skyrocket, and our new tiny penny stock here, Applied Blockchain Incorporated, ticker symbol APLD, I do believe will skyrocket as well because of this big deal that they had with Marathon. So we actually wrote an article about this stock just yesterday or 2 days ago, as you were able to see on our website here. Not there. You can see APLD. We actually wrote this article here, and now the stock was up about 30% today at its highs. Is up about 16% today right now. But as we can see, obviously the crypto craze has slowed down a bit, but all these companies are preparing, they're hyping up their operations, they're getting ready for this next big crypto bull market where these stocks are going to skyrocket. So we can see they entered into a new hosting contract with one of the largest Bitcoin miners, which was Mara. This is absolutely huge and is a 5-year contract. We can see this announced on Yahoo Finance as well. Applied Blockchain secures a 200 megawatt 5-year hosting contract with Marathon Digital Holdings, guys. So what I'm trying to make here is I do believe these 3 crypto stocks will do extremely well during the next crypto bull market, and they're already doing extremely well. Shout out to everyone that actually reads our articles, checks out our stocks. You guys did amazing on that one, and it is already up substantially. So guys, 3 penny stocks right there that I do believe are going to shoot up for the next crypto bull market, guys. And if you want to get our alerts for when we think they're good buying opportunities, make sure and sign up at viralstocks.io to get our completely free NASDAQ and NYSE penny stock alerts. Enter in your email and enter in your phone number, and we will send it out next time we have a hot stock. But we're gonna go. I want to talk about 3 more stocks in today's video. Make sure and stay tuned for the last one, because this last penny stock, it's not one that we talked about. It's absolutely brand new to the channel. It is a bonus stock on today's video. I do believe it has a ton of potential and is already up over 100% today, so stay tuned for that. But as you can see, there's more crypto stocks as well. SDIG here is also going up as well, with just a tiny uptick in the crypto market. So you guys can believe what's going to happen when this crypto market really comes back and starts to rally. But stocks rally every single day, guys. That's why we're able to stay in business here at viralstocks.io. Even when the market is going down, we can still kill it on all these tiny penny stocks. PGY up 96, over 100% today at its highs, pretty much just on their F1 that was filed today, and showed a 945k share float, which obviously we look for tiny floats so these stocks can rocket a lot. We also have Direct Digital Holdings right here. This stock is shooting up as well on some good news that they reported, a 540% surge in revenue, all that good stuff right here. So as you can see, stocks rally every single day of the week. Now, the bonus stock on today's list, I know we don't talk about OTC stocks very often, but I have to include this one because it is very similar to a stock like Mullen. Ticker symbol VAPR. This stock hit over 100% gains today at its highs, which is absolutely huge. Very, very exciting stuff here. Now, let me tell you just a little bit about ticker symbol VAPR and the massive deals that they are announcing. First off, this stock has had 2 amazing runs over the last couple of days, over 500% and over 100% gain only just today on some very important news. Over the last 1 month period, this stock is up over 550%. That is a massive, massive move for this stock. But taking a look here, you do not see news like this very often in the OTC. Like I said, this is a stock like Mullen, therefore, yes, it is coming out with an electric vehicle. Now, as we can see here, Let me zoom out. This came out today. Ford will supply motors to eSight for new retro EV sports car. This is absolutely huge. It has established a relationship with Ford where it's actually going to supply these eSight motors, which is big stuff. And as we can see here from the article, it says, we have solved the biggest problem of our engineering and supply challenges here, but more importantly, this is currently the only application whereas the revolutionary Ford e-motor will be supplied as an OEM motor for a newly manufactured vehicle that we are aware of. That is huge that they landed this big partnership with Ford. As you can see, Ford does not do this very often whatsoever, so that is absolutely huge. And on this news is why the stock rallied over 100% today. Taking a look at some of the upcoming catalysts here and the news. Established a relationship with Ford Motors. The COO says, I have worked closely with Ford for some time, which is great. They have a massive in there. Only application where the Ford e-motor will be supplied as an OEM motor, just like we said, which is huge. Name and ticker change coming up. Share structure reduction update coming soon, and photos of this sports car coming soon as well, guys. This is absolutely huge. Now, I'm not saying this, I mean, this could be a great long-term hold, right? It definitely could be, but on this channel, we are not here for long-term holds. We are here for short swing trades, and they move off of catalysts. Personally, this stock already rallied. I would let it die off and see if there's any more catalysts coming up, which it looks like there's tons more, but we should probably wait for those. But nevertheless, guys, like I said, this stock already rallied. I would not chase it, especially as it's starting to come down after the 100% move today. Yeah, personally, I would not chase this stock. I would let it go. But if you guys want to catch our next hot penny stock alert, I highly suggest you're signed up at VERU.io, guys. That is pretty much all I have for you in today's video. Link in the description below if you want to get these stock alerts before anyone here on YouTube. We do have a big alert coming up pretty soon here, so I highly suggest you guys are signed up at VERU.io. Enter in your email and enter in your phone number, guys. And as always, you know the drill. I will see you in the next video.